So today I'm just gonna go walk around outside. Usually I like to go on walks around like evening time or around nighttime. I just like when the air is cooler and it's like darker, so I'm gonna document my walk and just kind of try to like edit it in a cute or maybe like fun way. I don't know. Also, I kind of have bangs, but should I tie my hair up? Also, I'm gonna take my bangs out now. Living here, I actually do really like living in this neighborhood. I moved here because I thought I was going to work at a company that was really close to this neighborhood, so I wanted to be close to my job. But that job actually fell through, so now I'm living here anyways. But I do really like it. I think it's a pretty happening place. There's a lot of restaurants, there's nightlife, there's also, a lot of people during the daytime, and it has everything. Pharmacy, PC cafes, like grocery stores, convenience stores everywhere. There's even like a camera store that I noticed really close to my house. There's also a doctor. There's an office right by the train station near my house. So it literally has everything, and I really like living here. So like lately I've actually been wearing a hat like when I go outside. So this is one of the hats that I've been wearing lately. I wear it like this. And I also have I don't like this one as much. I think for me, when I wear a baseball hat, it looks better when I have more wavy hair, because my hair is naturally wavy, but I actually got it straightened in Korea. It's so humid, especially in the summer in Korea, so my wavy hair was like 10 times as wavy as it would be in LA. I was like, it's too hard to maintain, so I just got it straightened. That was about maybe 6 months ago, 5 or 6 months ago, and it's still holding the straighten. Also, I ordered a pizza earlier. This box. Okay, I'm gonna go outside. I think it's kind of cold, so I'm wearing like a turtleneck and a jacket on top. I honestly love this weather because it's like cool enough that I don't get overheated when I go on a walk, because I get hot really easily. So while I was out walking, I found a cat, like a cat sanctuary. Hello. I found a stray cat, so I'm sitting next to it. This one's really close to me. He's like under my leg. Hi. Hi. is sitting right next to me now. Good boy, good boy. Oh, his nails are sharp. Bye, guys. Guys, I had to leave the cats, so I'm kind of sad. But next time I see a cat, I will sit with that cat.